Welcome to the Lingostars podcast. I'm absolutely thrilled you're joining me today. I'm Luna, and together we'll practice easy English, just like good friends chatting over coffee. Today, we're sharing detective stories about lost items. Ready? Let's go. My evening key routine is sacred. It's the most important habit in my entire day. Every night when I come home, I hang my keys on the bright blue hook beside the door, saying out loud, "Keys home, Luna home." This little ritual has saved me from morning panic attacks for 2 whole years. Last Monday, started perfectly normal. I returned from grocery shopping with heavy bags, kicked off my muddy boots, and called out to my cat, Whiskers. But in my hurry to unpack frozen foods, I committed a terrible mistake. I broke my key ritual. Instead of hanging them up properly, I dropped my keys somewhere in the hallway. The next morning turned into pure chaos. My alarm screamed at 6:30 a.m. and I needed to catch the 7:15 bus. But when I reached for my keys, empty hook. Not again, I groaned. With only 15 minutes until bus time, I transformed into Detective Luna. My frantic search mission unfolded. Jacket investigation. I checked all the pockets, found candy wrappers and old receipts. Fridge mystery. I opened a refrigerator. Why? I don't know. Panic makes us do strange things. Laundry clue. Emptied laundry basket. And I discovered missing socks but no keys. Bread breakthrough. I shook the bread bag. Heard metal jingles. And there they were, nestled between 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Apparently, I'd carried the bread inside while holding my keys and absent-mindedly tucked them into the bag. Now, I have a foolproof system. Groceries go straight to the kitchen before I remove my coat. I've painted my keys neon yellow with glow-in-the-dark paint and added a giant key-shaped sticker to my door at eye level. And never again will keys play hide and seek with me. No, never. Now your turn, friends. Where do you lose things most often? Buckets, sofa, or mysterious black holes? What's your strangest founded story, like keys in bread. And any clever tricks to remember important items? Share your detective adventures below. I love hearing your stories, for sure. Thank you for sharing search party stories today, friends. Remember, what gets lost is often hiding in plain sight. Next week, we're talking about 10 emergencies. Get ready for writing disasters. Create your special key spot before bedtime. Goodbye, friends.